guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally, I'm excited. Finally, I'm on your screen. Finally, I can say welcome to my YouTube channel officially. Not that I'm doing it on random videos. Official YouTube channel. This is my channel and I'm doing it right now to welcome people from afar, people close to me to come watch me. Wow, I'm glad, I'm excited. Honestly, I'm happy after so many procrastination, after so many fear of do I really have what it takes? Have I really figured it out yet? Do I have the equipment? Do I have the resources? Do I have the content to keep posting? Will I be consistent on here? Like seriously, I'm excited and I'm happy I'm here. I think it's the right place to celebrate Jesus. This is the right place to celebrate Jesus. Like finally, our dear sister IFEOLUWA Clement is on YouTube. Honestly, you can't imagine. And this is the right place to tell you that if you want to become a YouTuber or you have some plans, maybe business, you have a big vision, you have something you really want to do, and then you've been procrastinating, thinking you're not ready, thinking you don't have the right equipment yet, thinking you don't have the right resources, or thinking, oh, you want it all figured out, you want it perfect, you want the perfect time. Trust me, now is the perfect time, honestly, because while you keep waiting, you want to have everything together, trust me, you're only pushing the time forward. You are only wasting your time, and then you won't even get those resources. You might not really even work on it again. So it is better you start now. Start with what you have now. Now is the time. So start with it. Don't procrastinate. Don't push it forward. Don't hesitate to start whatever it is you want to start now. This is not the right time for you to just sleep over it and just leave it like that. Please start. Don't be like me. I've been on this for a long period of time. I was waiting for, bing. I want iPhone 15 camera. I want to have my own backdrop and all of that. I was waiting for a lot of things. But here I am without those things. And I think I need to start. I can't wait anymore. So, without further ado, this is my first YouTube video. And this is an introduction video. So where you get to know me. I have some questions here to answer for you to just get to know me and what this channel is all about. So please don't go anywhere. Do not go anywhere. Don't fast forward. Sit right with your phone and watch my video till the end because you're about to get a premium content from your dear. You're my dear. Okay, so I'm going to be answering all questions here. I asked few of my friends to send me questions and they did. So I have 15 questions here for you to know me better in a little way. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So my number one question here is, what is your name? Okay. My name is IFEOLUWA. Sorry. Yeah, my name is IFEOLUWA Clement. Yes, IFEOLUWA Clement. My initial surname was Samuel. That's my dad's name. I got married last year. So my husband's name is Clement. So that is why IFEOLUWA Clement. IFEOLUWA Clement is my name. I'm no longer IFEOLUWA Samuel. I'm IFEOLUWA Clement. And IFEOLUWA means the will of God or the love of God. Any which one, we are cool. The will of God or the love of God. What is your nationality? I'm a Nigerian, of course. I'm a Nigerian. I live in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. Born and brought up in Ibadan, Oyo State. How old are you? Do we really need that? Do we really need that? Okay. I'm in my 20s, right? Not early 20s, not mid 20s. I'm in my late 20s, period. That's all for now. What is your course of study? I studied agricultural extension and farm management. But it is a pity I'm not even working around that yet. I'm not doing anything regarding my course of study. Number 5 question, what is your religion? My religion. Me looking at me from my head to toe, you should know now. I'm a Christian. I love Jesus. I stand Jesus. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with Jesus. But I'm a Christian, and of course, I attend Grace God Global Ibadan. I love my church. I attend Grace God Global. I'm a Christian, no beg. Number 6, do you have siblings? Yes, yes, I do. Of course, I have siblings. I'm the last child. We are 3. I have 2 siblings. I have an elder sister. I have a brother as well. I'm their last baby. I mean, their baby. So they take care of me so well. I have 2 siblings. Number 5, are you currently working? Yes, I'm currently working 9 to 5. Number 6, what is your favorite food? Mm-mm. Hey, please, this I'm about to say, I think I'm not going to get bombastic side eyes. And I think I'm not going to hear things like green tea, yellow tea. I don't want to hear a beg. That's my favorite food we're talking about. My all-time favorite food is amala. Ewedu and gbegiri soup. I love it so much. In Ibadan, we call it amala and abula. Please, not white amala, black amala. Amala, ewedu, and gbegiri soup. Then give me chilled water. We're good. We're good to go. But recently, I observed that from amala, and I love more of semo and egusi, maybe because of marriage. You know, but I love amala. Amala is my all-time favorite food. Amala, ewedu, and gbegiri. Please don't do anything out of that. Amala, ewedu, and gbegiri is my favorite food. Number 7, your favorite color. Okay, my favorite color is white. I love white a lot. I love white color. I love other colors too. As far as it's poppy, like on my skin, I'm good to go. But the problem is, I don't like my color too flashy. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. I don't just like red. I love all colors, but not too flashy. I don't like to be everywhere. I love cool colors, neutral colors. I love white. Recently, I fell in love with black. I love white. I love black. Both colors, I'm good. But I'm good with all colors. As far as I can combine your colors, I'm good to go. I love all colors, but not flashy. Favorite pet. I don't have any favorite pet. I don't like dogs. I don't like cats. I don't. I'm sorry. Please. It's not for me. It's not for me. I can't deal with that. My favorite day of the week. My favorite day of the week will always be Sunday. Yes. Sunday is busy for me, right? Yes, because I go to church. But I love Sundays because I fellowship with brethren. I get to see my friend. I'm just in my father's house. I mean, I just love being in my father's house. So I love Sunday a lot. I love Sunday a lot. I don't go out. So I go to church. Church is my safe place. So I love Sundays a lot. My favorite time of the day. My favorite time of the day will always be night. I love night. I find it hard to sleep early. I find it hard to sleep early. I can wake up late, but I find it hard to sleep early. So I love night. I'm always active in the night. I just want to do my things in the night. I don't know. I find it hard to find sleep. So it's better to just do what I want to do in the night. If you want to call me to do one thing for you, just call me in the night. That's if I'm not stressed. But I love nights a lot. That's my favorite time of the day. My favorite musician. My favorite musician will be gospel musicians. I don't have a specific favorite musician. I don't have one. I love them all. I don't listen to hip hop. I only listen to gospel music. Though I don't listen to songs like that. Like I don't really listen to songs. But I just love it gospel. I love Chandler Moore, Tasha Cobbs, Juicy Eyeko, Mercy Chinwo, Sinat, Moses Bliss, Nathan Basti. I love them all. I love them all. Number 8, would you like to relocate and your preferred country? This question, Choco. Yes, I would love to relocate. Yes, God's willing. I would love to relocate. And my favorite countries, my preferred countries will always be Canada or UK. Canada or UK. If it is not Canada, it is not UK, you're not doing. Period. Period. So from my mouth to God's hair, Canada or UK. Number 9, coffee or tea? None. None. I mean none. Coffee or tea? None. Number 10, weird things about you. Okay, you the earlier question was coffee or tea. So I was saying my number one thing that I think is weird about me. I don't know. I think it's weird. I don't I don't add water to my tea. I prefer to lick the powdered milk. I'll pour it on my palm, then I'll lick it. I don't know. I don't know. I imagine how my baby will cope because I mean my daughter, I don't know. I just imagine how she'll cope because she'll be like, Mom, are you a baby? I just love it in a way. I don't like adding water. I'll just pour the powder on my palm, then I'll lick it. I'm good to go. I can finish a pack like that. I'm just good to go. Instead of adding water, we don't do it like that. I pour it on my palm, then I lick the pack, and that's it. That's one thing about me that is weird. I don't know if it's weird, but it's weird. Number two would be nothing that is weird about me. Okay. Ah, hey, this one I'm about to say. To those that know me, I beg go. Okay, I don't iron my clothes. I don't find it funny. I don't find it interesting at all. I don't iron my clothes. Thanks to my husband, I don't iron my clothes. I don't. But thanks to the man. Another weird thing about me, I hardly clean my shoes. I just got that way. I don't know, but I don't clean my shoes. I don't. I don't know how to do polishing shoes, cleaning. It's not my thing. I don't know. I just wear it and then I'm off. Boom. Here we go. Boom. Off we go. That's it. So those are the weird things about me. Number 11, your love language. Whoa. Whoa. My love language, number one would be quality time. Yes. Yes, quality time. Part of my weird is I don't like going out. I love indoors. As far as I have my phone, as far as I have either my husband with me or someone that is close to me, I'm good to go. I don't really even like having people around. I love people a lot, but not when I want my space, my time. I just love being indoors. I don't go out. I don't know how to do it. So my love language is quality time. I spend quality time with my partner, with my friend indoors. Mhm. Number two will be word of affirmation. I just want you to reaffirm me that yes, everything is all right. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, you're beautiful. Word of affirmation. I love it a lot. Word of affirmation. Number three will be act of service. Act of service. Oh, Jamie, go, my dear. Oh, Jamie, act of service. Jamie, go. Number four will be physical touch. Then gifts. Gift. If you are thoughtful enough to give me gifts, fine, we're good. If you don't, good. Because anything in power, you get. I'm not bothered. But I love gifts, but not really. If you give me, I'll appreciate. Number 12, your dream travel destination. My dream travel destination would be Maldives, Santorini. I love Maldives a lot. I mean, a lot. I just want to be there. I mean, vacation, vacation. I just want to be there. Fine girl, I just want to chill, you know. You know, to a fine girl. I love Maldives a lot. Number 13, what motivates you to start YouTube? Okay, what motivates me? Fun. I want to explore and I want to share my experience. I know I have something that I can offer. I know I can bring solutions to what other people actually need. So I think that motivates me to start YouTube. I think from there I can share my experience and then reach out to people that really need it. So that motivates me to start YouTube. And then I want to have family. Aside from those that are close to me, I want to have other people that look forward to hear from me. I want to have people that look forward to see my face. I want to have people that look forward to, okay, yeah, they turn on their notification, then boom, they see me and then they comment. I love it a lot. I call them family. So I need a family, and that's what motivates me to start a YouTube channel. Number 14, kind of content to expect. Don't worry. In this place, we have premium content. Marvel. Don't worry. Don't go anywhere. Kind of content to expect. Lifestyle, faith, witchy chat, storytelling, conversations about related topics. Don't worry. Just stay glued. Just stick with me. I mean, this is the right channel for you to be. You just found a new channel where you can be, where you're gonna have a lot of premium content. So guys, that will be all for Get to Know Me. I only have 14 questions and we are done with it. But I would like to tell you that please try and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My dear, I beg in the name of God. Subscribe, like, share this link to your friends. Help me share on WhatsApp. Help me share everywhere. That they should please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm your baby girl. Yeah, baby girl. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much. Don't worry, we're going to have an updated video on Get to Know Me. Don't forget what I said earlier, that if you have anything you want to do, you want to become a YouTuber, you have things in mind to do, business, any plan you want to do, and you've been procrastinating on what to do or waiting for the right time, please, this is the right time. Do it now. Do it now. Just do it. Do it. Go on with what you have. Along the way, you get to improve. Along the way, you get to have more equipment and resources. But now, do it. Start now. I love you very much. Bye.